Good evening and welcome to a very quick video here from the kitchen. I just got this Ninja Creami yesterday. I've been thinking about buying it for a while, but I walked past the discounted pop-up store yesterday, so I got 10% off, so I figured why not get it. So I'm actually on keto right now, basically no carbs, so I did a super easy recipe. Just protein powder and some almond milk, so I guess technically a few grams of carbs, but not too much. Mixed that in together, also a bit of salt, which someone recommended, and also had another flavor. This is vanilla, but also got chocolate. So basically I'm gonna take out this from the freezer now. We have 2 pots here mixing 400 milliliters or grams of almond milk and then 40 grams of protein powder. So let's try it out. So I've never done this before, but you're supposed to take this part here and put in the container with the flavor. So I'm going to have the chocolate one here. Let's see if it works. Take off the top here. Has to wait for 24 hours, so I did it last night. Let's put it in. Fits nicely. Yeah, put on the lid here. Cool. So we got it all mounted here. Then you bring it up like this. Interesting stuff. There are a few different options here. Let's put it on. Interesting. I think we're gonna try the ice cream option here. It's quite loud, but I guess it's doing something. Let's get it off. Let's open the lid. Looking a bit powdery-ish. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the powder or not, but let's try. Take up the whole thing here. Smells nice. Okay, moment of truth. Let's check the consistency. Ooh, soft, very powdery. Definitely icy. Interesting. Let's try this. Could definitely benefit from a bit more cream. It's kind of loose. Cool stuff. Kind of like an icy protein shake in a way. Of course, ice cream is made from cream, and this is only literally protein powder and almond milk here. So I'm on keto now, so no additional fruit, but I think you can mix in a lot of other cool stuff. Definitely gonna try to sprinkle a little bit more, maybe milk or real cream, but just a little bit to not get the calories too high. But very enjoyable way of eating protein. Okay, I'm gonna put that away and try the other flavor, which was vanilla. It's chocolate, so let's try the other one. Okay, next up the vanilla one. Looks a bit gooey here, but let's put it inside and try. Really convenient designer actually. Put it on like this, twist up, get the click sound, and then just turn on. Let's do it. Actually, again, surprisingly fast. I don't know, 1-2 minutes maybe maximum. It looks pretty cool. Actually, it looks better, but let's try it out. So this is vanilla. Definitely looks like vanilla, but no cream in this ice cream. So let's see. Ooh, that's also very powdery. Interesting. I guess you don't see so, but good up front here. Let's try. Oh, cool. Yes. Definitely a brain freeze. Doesn't taste as much authentic vanilla. I guess it's real ice cream, obviously, because it's from protein powder. But I think it's all about what you put inside, obviously. So if you get good protein powder and good ingredients, I'm sure it's gonna be better. I definitely prefer the chocolate one, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some other protein powders, and I'm also gonna have maybe real milk instead of almond milk, and also try maybe a little bit of cream to make it a little bit thicker, but still very enjoyable way to basically have a protein shake. This whole thing is less than 200 calories, like 160, 170. So as an evening snack after dinner, chill, sit down with this, experiment a bit, try different ways. I think it could be a really cool way to end your evenings. And what you can do is you can basically make a hole here and put in a lot of other cool stuff like crumbles or other ingredients, try it out. So really nice. I think you can experiment a lot with different flavors. You get 3 of these basically, so you can put all of them in the freezer and have 3 different ones in the evening across the week. So I think I will play around with that. It was very easy to set up here yesterday. Bought it, get it up and running within like 30 minutes. So I think I'll leave you guys here. Enjoy this. If you have some good tips or what are your favorite recipes, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Have a good evening, everyone.